If you want to know how to start SIP in Groww application, then this video is for you. Before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, first of all, if you don't have Groww application in your phone, then you can go to App Store or Play Store and you can search for Groww App. This is the logo. Once you download the application, once it is installed, you can open the app and then you can complete the registration process. It's simple. You can register with your mobile number or your email ID and you're good to go. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. So you get multiple options over here. But to start SIP, all you need to do is you need to go in mutual fund option over here at the bottom. Select mutual funds, and on the next page, you get multiple options. At the top, you can check out explore option, dashboard, SIP, watch list. If you want to check out some SIP, you can directly select SIP option over here. But mostly you can select explore option, you can go down, and under collection you get multiple categories of SIP. So there is high return SIP, you can start SIP with 100 rupees. There are some tax saving SIP, and large cap, mid cap, small cap SIPs are there. So you can do your research and you can select any particular category to start with. Now if you go down again on this page, you can check out some of the SIPs which are already listed over here. So if you want to invest in any particular SIP, you can do that, or else you can just simply go in this collection option and select the category which you want. Now I have selected high return. Again, it is showing me some of the SIPs over here, and it is the percentage it is showing which the growth it has given in the last 3 years. So you can check out all the details. Now in order to check details for this particular SIP, you can tap on that and you get two options. One is start SIP and another one is one-time SIP. So if you want to directly start the SIP, you can select start SIP. If you want to do one-time payment, you can select one time over here. Now if you want to check out details related to this SIP, so you can simply tap over here and you will be able to check out all the details related to this particular SIP. Now there are few things to look at. If you go down, first one is NAV. So it is nothing but net asset value for 1 unit of your SIP. So this is 217.73 for now. You can check out the ratings it has received, what is the fund size. Minimum SIP amount is from 1000 rupees. So you can check out all that. If you go down, you can check out the holdings. So if you invest in this particular SIP, these are the invested companies. So it will invest your money in this listed holdings. After that, you can check out the returns and ranking over here. If you want to check out some similar funds, you can check out that as well. So it will show some similar funds. Now in expense ratio and exit load and tax, if you select that, you can check out the expense ratio over here. Exit load is nothing but if you redeem your SIP within 1 year, you will have to pay 1% of the charge. So you can check out all the details over here. Okay, so as I told you, this particular SIP has a minimum SIP amount of 1000 rupees. But if you want to start your SIP with 100 rupees or 500 rupees, for that you can go back and you can select SIP with 100 under collection. So select that particular option and again it will show you the SIPs which are available from 100 rupees. So you can always select any particular SIP and select the details option, and over here you can always check out for the minimum SIP amount. So to start SIP, you can always select start SIP option over here, and if you want to invest one time, as I told you, you can select this one time option, and after that if you think that you can invest more amount, you can always do that. For now I'm going to select start SIP option. You can always enter your amount which you want to invest at the start of the SIP. So once you enter the amount, next step is you can check out your SIP date. So it is going to be 18th of every month for me. For you it might be different. After that you can select your bank account from which you want to invest the money in this particular SIP. So you can select the bank over here. So you can change the bank over here. For now I'm going to select PhonePe option. So once you select the bank, you can simply select pay option. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered number, and once you enter the OTP, you can simply go ahead. So now you can see it has redirected me to PhonePe application. You can select the bank, again select pay option. Now you can enter your UPI pin to complete the transaction. So now you can see the transaction is complete. Now once you complete the transaction, it will redirect you to the mandate page. So if you want to set up auto pay, you can always enter your debit card or net banking or other details and you can set up auto pay. But if you don't want to set up auto pay for now, you can always cancel and go ahead, and every month Groww application will remind you whenever it's time to invest money in your SIP. So it will remind you. So for now I'm going to cancel it. So now you can see SIP started without autopay. It has given the message. Now, if you want to set up autopay, you can do that. But if you want to do it later, you can do that as well. Now, once you start SIP, where can you check it? Usually you can check your SIP over here in the dashboard, but as we have just started the SIP, it won't be showing here. So for that, you can go in your profile option and you can go in all orders. And in all orders, you need to select mutual fund. Now, currently you can see the SIP is in progress. If I select this particular option, you can check out the status over here and order will be processed within an hour. So sometime it might take 1 hour or 2 hours, or sometimes it might take 1 or 2 days. So you have to wait for it and later on you can check out the details. So that's how simple it is to start SIP in Groww application. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, you can write down in comment section below. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.